Hi everybody, this is Andrew. Today we will be talking about the lookup. This means there's a three columns, this is the ID, item, and the second item. So we want to, based on the number, for example, the number 2, I want to look at it, the item 02 or item 2-02. So how to look up based on the number and get the value from the other columns. So here, Google Sheet provide a standard function. I mean, vertical lookup. That the search key is, for example, the number 2. The range, I will look at it here. That means from A2 to C14. Search this column. I want to get the column B. This is the second column, the 1, 2, the second column. I will get the value from the second column. This parameter, you will suppose to it is solid or not. Just now, it's not solid. So here is false. So we will, based on the number 2, to get the second column. If you want to get the third column, let's get the third column. Another thing is, you can use the simple form is A to column C. That means the column A, the whole column A, column B, and column C is A to C. The value is the same. Okay. If we change it is solid into true, what's happened? It's very, very interesting. So you look at it, it's get the first line. So the column 2, get the column 2, the value is item 11. It's not number 2, not this line, because this works as the first, because it's supposed to, the item, the column A is sorted. So number 11 is the first greater than number 2. So they supposed to, this value, it is your wanted. So to get it. So normally we use the false in this parameter. We most to use this functionality in this way. We have the ID. We want to get the value based on the category or basic data, whatever. So here you can put on the value just like here. Okay, the number 2 here is F2. So here, based on this value. And A to C. and use the second one. We will based on this value, the number 1, to find the number 1 to get the second value, second column. The number 4, look at the number 4 to get the second value. The number 2, it is get the number 2 here. Not this one, not this one. It's the first appearance, the number 2 is here. So finally, that's the number 12. Number 12 is not appearing in the column. So the number is not available. So you can put on the here, just like if is not available, this value, put on the here. And if you look at it, you find the value, you put on the value here. So just like this one. So we can copy this all lines in same functionality. So the same value, if we find it, just put on the value here. If not find it, we put on a star here. Okay, the next one, normally we have the basic data in another sheet, and this is the working sheet. So we will look up the data from a basic data. The sheet is a basic data. It's item here and item the value here. We want to based on this data to get the lookup value. Something here. Vertical lookup F2 and from this value. It's column 2, false. It's not solid. So here we get the value, the number 1 value from here. Number 1, the value here. So we will put on the value from here to get all the values. So here number 2 is number 2. It's number 2 here. And number 3 is number 3. It's number 3, item 3 here. We got it. You can handle the not available here just like this way. Okay, today we already reviewed the lookup. It's the vertical, just like the vertical lookup. The similar thing is we have another function. It's horizontal lookup. It's very similar with the vertical lookup. You can exercise it from horizontal lookup. Okay, that's all for today. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.